Okay, first things first, we're going to put the shampoo into the wheel bucket. And we'll froth it up. So obviously we've got the shampoo in the bucket, we've got the citrus wheel and tyre cleaner with the foaming head, and we've got the iron fallout remover. So first things first, we'll rinse the wheel off. I'll just take you in for a closer look. Quite a bit of contamination built up in them wheels. So let's clean it, let's get through the process. So first things first, we're going to go with the citrus wheel and tyre cleaner. We'll get it spread across the tyre and the wheel. And then what you want to do, you want to let the product sort of bed in, soak in, dwell as long as you can. And then we'll get into the barrels. So we've still got a bit of the pitting in there, so we're going to go in with the fallout remover. Okay, so we're done, we're rinsed off. Let's see what we got. Still a little bit embedded in there, but it's done a very good job. Alright, time to dress them. So we've got the conditioning tyre serum, and we're going to use this little brush. Let's get some product on it. There we go, nice blue cream. can see it spreads really easily. You can see where you've been because it's quite blue until it soaks in. Smells pleasant. Spreads really nicely. Really need to get some rim mats to help me do this, to be honest. Not always easy to get to the bottom. If any of you have tried rim mats, just drop us a comment, tell me what you think of them. There we go. Clean and dress. We'll have to leave that to soak in. We might have to give it another coat. The tyre does tend to absorb this kind of product, so I'll come back to you shortly.